Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your TikTok profile and tap the three-line menu to access settings and privacy. This opens account controls and security options in one place. Tap Privacy on the settings screen to manage who can interact with you. Scroll down slowly until you find blocked accounts listed under Safety. Tap Blocked Accounts to see usernames you have blocked in the past. Make sure you are using the updated TikTok app to see the latest blocked accounts list and any interface changes. Tap Blocked Accounts to view usernames you blocked and the date of blocking. Each entry shows a username and a brief profile preview where available. To restore interaction, tap Unblock beside a username and confirm the action when prompted. The app will remove the user from your blocked list instantly after you confirm. Unblocked users will regain the ability to view your videos based on your account privacy settings. You may need to refollow or accept follow requests if your account is private. Use search to find a username if you do not see them in blocked accounts on the list. Enter the exact username or probable spelling and review search results carefully. If a user is absent from results, check whether they deleted their account or TikTok removed it for policy reasons. Also consider whether your account is shadowed by visibility restrictions, which can affect searchability. If you still cannot find a blocked user and need help, contact TikTok support from settings and follow the Help Center prompts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.